Hey guys, so this is actually a new video for me. I'm actually trying out Fab Fit Fun. I went ahead and decided, okay, so it was a series of rationalizations to myself. It's something I've always wanted to try. And I figured if I do this and not allow myself to go to stores like TJ Maxx or Marshall's or Home Goods or all of those really super fun places, I can rationalize doing this instead, because I kind of feel like it's almost like TJ Maxx in a box that gets shipped to your house 4 times a year based off of what I've seen. So I went ahead and signed up for a year of it, and we'll see what I like about it. I will say if you do sign up for a year at a time, you do get a discount. Oh, excuse me, burping up my dinner. That was a little rude, but you know, I'm human. Not perfect. But yeah, let's go ahead and dig into this box. So I did pre-choose a bunch of stuff, but I did this so long ago now that I honestly really don't remember what I chose. So this is gonna be somewhat of a surprise to me as well. Okay, so it comes with a little catalog. Catalog looks like, and then it also comes, what are these other things? Saved this for you. Oh, it's just a referral card. I guess I'll go ahead and put this in the description on this video. If you want, or if you're interested in trying out Fab Fit Fun, you'll get $15 off of your first box. It says that's a 200 plus value for $35, so that's cool. And then there is a HelloFresh gift card, which it says $90, but if it's like all of the other HelloFresh stuff, you can only use X amount of it per box, which I personally find annoying, but I digress. Let's go ahead and dig on into the actual box. So the first item I'm seeing is it's a body wash by, I have no idea if I'm going to pronounce this correctly or not. It's called Suchio Somatology Yoga. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's calm and clean Epsom salt hand and body wash. Daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. Ooh, this could be good. Let's go ahead and get this a smell. I do like a lot of things with lavender oil. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, I really like that. I'll go ahead and show you guys this here in a minute. But this is what it looks like. And you'll have to excuse my hands. I've been working outside a lot lately, and they are ratchet. Let's see what else they sent me. Oh, but before I go on to the next product, this is not a product I remember choosing, so I guess this is one of the other things that they send to you in the box. I think you can choose, if I remember correctly, like there's 5 different categories and you choose one from each category, and then they send you some other stuff as well. So the next thing I got is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Dry Bar. And it says it protects your hair up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Hi! You wanna say hi? Come here. Say hi, Soph. I mean, you can sit here if you want. Is that what you wanted? You just wanted some love? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, anyway, back to the video, but the cat might be here for the rest of it. This is actually great because I was running out of heat protectant for my hair, so this is something good to have on hand. Oh, are you done? Anyway, the next thing that is catching my eye is the Adore bracelet, and it has a Swarovski crystal, and this is pretty cute actually. I kind of like the just circle pendant type bracelet that's on it, but I actually kind of thought all those little bumps were going to be crystals and not just the single Swarovski crystal. So that's kind of annoying, but I still like the bracelet. It's a cute bracelet. The next thing that's catching my eye. Okay, so I do remember, so I did pick the bracelet, and I picked this next item. It's the, guess what, you'll be naked in 1 minute original coffee scrub. So I've had coffee scented like body scrubs before and I love them. They are amazing. So of course when I saw this, I was like, obviously I'm gonna get that. Like why else would I pick anything else? And the next thing is the original makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. So that's pretty cool. I am actually going on vacation soon. I think I'm gonna just pack this potentially instead of my makeup wipes because this will be smaller and take up less space in my baggage. The next thing I see is the Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. And you want attention still. I'm sorry, Sophie's still here. She still wants attention. She didn't get enough. Let's go ahead and open up this bad boy and check out what's inside. I do remember picking this as well. The plastic dispel, that was nothing. Oh, these are pretty. Take a look at those. I could have a lot of fun with these. Maybe I'll pack this too for my Christmas vacation that's coming up, like literally in 2 days. Like, where has the time gone? The next item I see is a set of shampoo and conditioner, which I did pick just because I was actually running low. It is the R & Company Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. So I'm pretty excited about these. Let's see if they have a smell. I'm not really, oh, maybe I'm gonna laugh, there's a seal. There's a seal, that's fine. Ooh, well that smells nice. It smells like I'm at a salon. It's exciting. And then this next item I see is something I was actually really excited about because I need new slippers anyway. So when I saw this category, I jumped up and down. Packaging, but these are the slippers and they have these like faux fur lined insides, and these will be really nice to take on vacation with me as well. And then that might be it as far as everything. I think everything else might be confetti. Yeah, that's it for all the products. So I do remember picking the slippers. I remember picking the shampoo and conditioner, the coffee scrub, the bracelet, and the makeup palette. So I guess the extras that I don't remember picking, or they're just the extras that they sent to me in the box, is the body wash with lavender oil, which again, I'm actually very excited about that. I love lavender, and this is really great because I typically take my showers right before I go to bed, and the lavender will kind of help soothe me to bed. Sophie's just playing with some of the packaging now, because who doesn't like fun little paper spirals? Okay. So I'm really excited about this. The makeup eraser, when I saw this was getting put in there, and I was just, if you've ever seen these, it's literally just a sheet of like pink cloth, but I'm willing to try it, and it's also eco-friendly, so if it decreases my carbon footprint, then heck yeah, I'll try this. I am also very excited about this. I'm actually just very happy with the box in general, and I do think it was overall worth the value. I went ahead, I want to say I paid like $175 for a year's worth of these boxes, so roughly if you divide that by 4, that's somewhere between $35 to $40 a box, and as long as I'm able to stick to my commitment of not going to places like, you know, Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, Tuesday morning, and buying these types of things, this will overall end up helping me to save money. At least that's what I rationalized. Anyways, if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. And again, I will try to remember to drop that referral code down in the description below. This isn't me trying to hawk my wares or whatever. This is just, if you want to try it out, go for it. If not, no skin off my bone. Other than that, thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see y'all real soon and have a Merry Christmas, because I think this will probably be the very last video right before Christmas. Thanks so much. She really likes the little paper frills. Okay. Anyway, thanks so much for watching.